All right, MacPoint Man here with a unboxing of an LG Tone Pro. Um, I've had one of these before. I lost it. So I bought another one needing a new headset. This is a decent headset. It's not terribly bad. It's not great. You can get them for about $35 to $40 on Amazon. I'll post a link at the bottom. Uh, it is probably one of the better headsets for the price, so I would recommend it for the price point. And it's decent sound. I wouldn't use them for headphones, but you could listen to music with it, you know, stuff like that. This one's a little bit beat up, this box is, because I've been carrying around the country while I'm traveling, and I haven't been able to do this video yet. So here we go. So we've seen all four sides of the box, or all six sides, or whatever. Yeah, six sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Yeah, sorry, can't count. It's a good headset. It's not my preferred headset, but I like something to fit better in the ear. This one's a little bit bulky. Sometimes the earpieces don't always stay put with the magnets because you gotta get them in the in the right spot, in the correct orientation for them to stay in place. So here's what we got inside. All right, so inside the box we have our instruction book or manual here with our extra silicone earpieces. We have our instructions. We have a micro USB charging cable. And of course we have the headset itself. There is no charging brick. It's pretty straightforward for $35 to $40. It's not terribly bad. The problem is with these, you got to get them in just right, because if you get them in like that, they don't stay in there. Right? So sometimes they'll flip around. I think they're a little bit big, they're a little bit bulky, but when you're making phone calls, they work pretty good. But there you have it. That is the LG Tone Pro. I would say get a set of these if you want a around the neck set of earpieces. I'm not a big fan of the, little earpiece that goes in your ear. But for the price, you can't really beat them. They work real well. I'd like them to be a little bit smaller. It's just a little, they just feel bulky. And this in the ear feels really bulky too. It doesn't feel like you get them all the way in, and, just doesn't feel like they fit, because this is a big bulky part right here. Anyways, thanks a bunch for watching. See you in the next one.